Welcome to the Intuitive Hour with psychic medium, author, and intuitive life coach, Michelle Beltran. The Intuitive Hour will empower you to learn how to magnify your intuitive voice. Listen in and expand your understanding of what it means to be psychic and how to awaken, amplify, and trust your inner voice.
Hello, everyone. This is the Intuitive Hour. Awaken your inner voice. Thank you for being here. In today's episode, we're discussing neutrality and being in the center of your head. So what exactly does that mean? Understand that our lives are full of poignant experiences. If you're an energy worker, intuitive, or healer of any kind, you're likely coming across equally highly charged experiences, even if you're not consciously aware of it. It's natural to slip into the emotions and chaos of events around use and/or into the energy of a client you may be working with. This is especially true if you're an empath. More often than not, at these times, your attention is focused outside of you, and you're completely entrenched with whatever situation is pressing at the moment. When you learn how to consciously be in the center of your head, you begin to call your life force back to you, finding peace of mind, clarity, equanimity, and balance. There is actually a spiritual space in the center of our heads from which we are better able to filter out much of the noise of the world and more easily focus on consciously creating our experience. Staying in the center of your head increases your awareness of your body, mind, and spirit. So here are a few steps to help you remain in the center of your head. You easily get into the center of your head by taking your awareness to this area of your body and acknowledging it. You may go there now. Imagine a miniature version of yourself right in the center of your head at the apex of two cross lines traveling through the center of your head. This is where it's located. Be there now. The center of your head is your own space. You may choose to decorate it, design it, or flavor it in any way you choose. Take some time to create this sacred space exactly as you choose it to be. The center of your head is for you and you only. If any other people, animals, or issues are there, ask them to leave. This is a special place just for you and your pure life force. Being in the center of your head is a place of balance. Remember, it's a place for you and only you. It is much like being in a spiritual cockpit of sorts. Remember, you're creating this space however you like. It may be full of color, textures, particular furniture. Perhaps there is a water source. Perhaps there are trees and nature around. From this space, you find absolute balance and broader perspective. think of this place, this personal spiritual place, as offering a bird's eye view for you. Here you access absolute clarity and equanimity. Be mindful of dropping into your heart chakra as you're in this space. You'll be most inclined to doing that when you're working with others or around others who are in emotional moments of turmoil or experiences that have overwhelmed them emotionally. You will know that you have come out of the center of your head when you feel emotion, when you feel overwhelmed by emotion, or you begin to feel an attachment to the outside occurrences around you. You may find yourself feeling grief or anger at these moments. When this happens, it is a sure sign you are now in your heart chakra. Your heart chakra is a beautiful place to be, and it has its value. However, it is not generally during a reading space or meditative space or assisting others when you want to be in that heart chakra. Simply acknowledge when you might have done this. Then, consciously shift back to the center of your head. It's an easy process. Just catch yourself in the emotion and come back to that center, spiritual, powerful place. In time, you will find that you could be standing amongst chaos, but still be in the center of your head, able to act and think with clarity and peace and equanimity. Like the prayer of protection, like grounding and running energy, all of which we've discussed in prior episodes, being in the center of your head is an ongoing, constant process. It's not something done once. Your ability to keep this in place throughout your day is essential.
Thanks for listening to the Intuitive Hour with Michelle Beltran. If you like what you heard, please share our podcast with a friend, and be sure to visit michellebeltran.com to get Michelle's popular Develop Your Clairvoyance ebook.